There has been some incredible news for cryptocurrencies today with Visa. We're going to be talking about that in this video, but we're also going to be talking about Dogecoin, what Dogecoin is going to be doing in the month of April. I believe Dogecoin is going to break all-time highs in the month of April. So I'm going to be talking about Visa. We're going to talk about some price predictions, what is going on with some of these other cryptocurrencies. So make sure you guys stay tuned because you cannot miss this. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like crypto content and Dogecoin content, I make videos calling out big plays before they happen using Market Cipher. It's a software that enables me to see big dumps or big pumps potentially very accurately before they happen. Make sure you guys go ahead and join the Discord while it is free. We have over 600 members. We talk about stocks and cryptos, and you guys can check out my Patreon where I give my private trade alerts for cryptocurrencies and stocks. I'm able to call out big moves on Ethereum or Cardano, Dogecoin before they happen, or I can let you know when to sell. So if you're interested and you want to make a lot of money in the stock market and or cryptos, make sure you guys go ahead and sign up on the Patreon. Alright guys, I made a video a couple days ago about Dogecoin and where we are headed. And as you see, Market Cipher is up. We are seeing some bullish momentum. All these indicators are letting me know that we are in a bullish trend, that we are continuing in this bullish trend. And I do not see any dumpings or anything similar to that in the near future. But I did call out this reversal to the upside. I circled this, and these green dots right here, they show me a reversal. They show the bottom, and we have since reversed from that part to the upside. And guys, we called it out early here that we're going to continue to go up, and it looks like we are continuing to go up as cryptos are starting to gain momentum. And cryptos are going to gain a very strong momentum in the month of April, because historically the month of April, May, and November are the months where cryptocurrencies, they pump the hardest. And guys, look, the months of February and January are very bearish months, even though we've seen all-time highs with Bitcoin and Ethereum in each month and Dogecoin. We are still going to see an even greater pump than what we have saw then. So if that is considered bearish, if all-time highs is considered bearish, how much more are we going to pump to greater all-time highs in the next couple of months, all the way until November? Generally, we will start a massive bull run. We're already in a bull run, but we're going to see a potential parabolic run with cryptocurrencies, with some of these altcoins all the way into generally around November, December. And we could start to see a correction or a little bit of pullback or a major correction at that point. Some people are predicting that, and then some people are predicting that this bull run is going to last for years. And I am under the opinion that this bull run is going to last for years, that cryptocurrencies are just beginning to get started. They're not going to just die down. And a lot of people are using historical data when cryptocurrencies were not as trusted, where they were not as used as much, where cryptocurrencies were not as much as they are now. Now we have Visa, we have big players in the investment world. They're holding cryptocurrencies. They're trusting it. We have companies and people like Elon Musk. They're putting Bitcoin and Ethereum into their balance sheets. And this is just the beginning of cryptocurrencies. This is just the beginning of the adoption of cryptocurrencies. And this is similar to the internet. When the internet came out, they said, oh, the internet is just a fad. It will die out in a couple of years. And look at where the internet is now. Look at how much further it has progressed. This is the way of finance for the future. A decentralized finance, a decentralized cryptocurrency, currency that is not controlled by a government, that cannot be inflated, and many more things. This is just the beginning. So we are getting in early as investors into a space where potentially something like Dogecoin could be worth several dollars in the future, potentially where Bitcoin could be worth millions of dollars in just a couple of years, and Ethereum hundreds of thousands in just 3 to 5 years. That is very accurate predictions that have been predicted by very big people in the cryptocurrency and analytical world of investing. But let's just briefly look at this article. Even though it's not directly tied to Dogecoin, it is tied to Dogecoin, because look, it says, Visa moves to allow payment settlements using cryptocurrency. Visa said on Monday it would allow the use of the cryptocurrency USD coin to settle transactions on its payment network, the latest sign of growing acceptance of digital currency by the mainstream financial industry. So what we are seeing is we're seeing Visa, a major player in the financial world. They are a financial institution. This is absolutely huge, but they are starting to adopt cryptocurrencies, and this is just the beginning. They're using Bitcoin and Ethereum to clear some of these transactions, or people, they can use their Dogecoin or other coins and convert them to this USD stablecoin to make these transaction payments. But this is just the beginning. Eventually, they're going to be able to directly accept Dogecoin. Eventually, they're going to be able to directly accept Cardano and other smaller cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they understand that people don't want to have to do all these transactions and converting this crypto to that crypto to get to this amount of dollars. No, they understand that they want to make it more simpler. Other companies, when they start to adopt the use of cryptocurrencies, they're going to make it easier to obtain, easier to convert this cryptocurrency to that, easier to basically just send one cryptocurrency to make a payment for a USD amount or whatever amount is needed for that transaction. But in summary, for this whole Visa thing, it's showing you that people are continuing to adopt cryptocurrencies and accept it. And we are seeing this every day with companies here and there, companies left and right starting to accept Dogecoin, starting to accept Bitcoin, and many more things. But Dogecoin is actually faster when it comes to transactions. If you wanted to buy a coffee, it would be pretty much instantaneous if you were to use Dogecoin. But if you were to use Bitcoin, it would actually take 15 to 20 minutes, potentially longer or shorter. Also with Ethereum, it takes a little bit longer because of the gas fees and because of the blockchain network and how it's currently set up. But Dogecoin has a different use than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dogecoin is really good for sending money back and forth, and it's really good to send or use it to purchase something. And we're going to go ahead and briefly look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and then we're going to finish it off with Dogecoin, do some technical analysis with some price predictions. So we are seeing Ethereum, look at all this volume, it is pumping. We hit 1850 today, congratulations, that was an awesome move. And we are in a bullish continuance. We are seeing that with, let's see, also Cardano, we're in a bullish continuance, and Bitcoin, there is nothing bearish on the charts at all that I'm seeing, especially the market cipher indicators. Everything is very bullish. And we're going to take a look at Dogecoin now. Look, we have since then corrected and we are in a very bullish pattern. We are continuing to move up, and that is very important. So what we're basically forming right now is an ascending triangle, and this is just setting up for a potential breakout. This movement is getting a little bit smaller in here, and it's going to take the next couple of days for us to get a more accurate picture of what Dogecoin is doing. But what we are seeing is we are seeing this small little channel that we're possibly going to break out eventually at some point. But if we can continue in this channel, I think a breakout would be imminent within the next couple of days or within the next week or two. I think that we could certainly see a breakout to potentially 6.5 to 7 cents, especially if we see cryptocurrencies pump in the month of April. So be aware of that. April, getting into cryptocurrencies right now. Cardano, Polkadot, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, they are super cheap. They were beaten down a good bit, but now before a bull run, before a massive run, this is when you want to accumulate. And I think this is actually a safe area to accumulate. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own proper risk management. Don't put too much that you can't afford to lose, and never invest anything that you're not able to afford to lose. So my price prediction for the month of April, I believe that we will certainly be able to surpass 7 cents. A conservative estimate, I think we will be able to surpass possibly 7 cents. 6.5 to 7 cents, 6.5 cents to 7 cents is my price prediction, and that is a conservative number. We could certainly break all-time highs in the month of April, especially if Cardano, especially like if Ethereum and Bitcoin were to break some crazy numbers. It would not be hard for those cryptocurrencies pumping so hard to be able to bring Dogecoin up to the moon. So if you guys liked today's video, please smash that like button, share this video with some of your friends. Below up the comment section, you guys can ask me a question. I will get back to you if I possibly can, and I will see you guys in the next one.